I'm gonna show you how to make the best loaded chicken fries. Hey salam, I hope you guys do well. I'll is back for another video, and this time I'm making loaded chicken fries. The chicken is gonna be nice and juicy on crispy fries, so delicious. Without further ado, let's get started. Chef presents. First we are going to prep a marinade for the chicken. And with the bird's eye chili, going with some of the garlic, and with the flesh of whole lemon, make sure to get rid of the seeds. For the spices, I'm using tandoori masala. It's gonna add a really nice flavor to it. Coriander seeds adds a really nice earthy flavor. We also going in with some of the natural yogurt. It's gonna help tenderize the chicken. Onion and garlic powder, smoked paprika for color and depth of flavor. Balance everything with some of the sugar, a little bit of the MSG, some of these mixed herbs. You can use thyme or oregano, a good touch of salt, white or distilled vinegar. And finally we're going to finish this with oil. Now you want to cover and blend this until nice and smooth. Have a little taste and adjust anything if you need to. Using a small chicken here, it's around 1 kilogram. I'm going to cut right through the breast. So use a sharp knife for this. And again, using your knife, just cut right through the backbone. And now I'm just going to remove the legs. Now if you want, you can add some cuts on the breast as well as on the legs. Make sure to get rid of any excess fat that you have on the chicken. It's not very pleasant. A good pinch of salt on the chicken. We want to marinate the chicken right to the bone. Freshly cracked black pepper. Give that a really good toss. Now remove this into a bowl. Add a good touch of our marinade onto that. And give this a really good mix using your hands. Once you have mixed this, let it marinate in the fridge for 3 hours for best results. Once the chicken is done marinating, leave it outside for 20 minutes. Now we're going to wrap the chicken in foil paper. One leg and one breast in each foil paper. Here goes some of the garlic cloves. I'm just gonna add them on the side. A red chili, light touch of oil on the chili and garlic. And now you want to wrap it tightly. It would be best if you can wrap it twice. Wrapping the chicken will lock in moisture, making the chicken super juicy. It also helps cook the chicken evenly from all sides. Plus it traps flavors from herbs and spices beautifully. And the best part is less mess, easier cleanup. Now place them onto a baking tray, and this goes in a preheated oven at 180 Celsius for around an hour 15 minutes. We're gonna turn the temperature to high for the last 15 minutes to get a nice color. It's been around an hour, let's remove the chicken. Be careful when removing the foil paper, it's still hot. Just look at that. Beautiful. Make sure to save the leftover garlic and chili. We're gonna use it for our sauce in a bit. Now throw in some of the leftover marinade on the top. A light touch of foil, and this goes back into the oven at a high temperature. Give it around 10 to 15 minutes until you have a nice color. For the garlic chili sauce, and with our roasted garlic, roasted chili, 1 fresh garlic, leftover juices from the chicken, some of this red chili paste, pinch of salt, freshly cracked pepper, paprika, a light pinch of cumin, and finally we're going to some of the mayonnaise and fresh lemon juice. Cover and blend this. The color is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Amazing. Have a little taste and adjust anything if you need to. Our delicious garlic chili sauce. Done. Now remove the chicken into a bowl. Now you want to remove all the bones from the chicken. It's best to use both the thigh and the breast. It will add a lot of flavor. I'm going to serve our loaded chicken fries with some of the cabbage, cucumber, red onions, and the spring onion greens. Remove your fries into a bowl. Add some of the vinegar. Good touch of salt. A little bit of this spice mix. Add a little bit of the garlic chili sauce onto that. Now add a healthy amount of chicken on the top. A little bit of the cabbage. some cucumber, onions, some of these spring onion greens, a light pinch of salt. I like some of the fresh lemon juice as well on the top of our amazing chili garlic sauce. Oh, that looks so mouth-watering. Our mouth-watering loaded chicken fries done. You guys gonna really enjoy it with your family and friends. Alright guys, let's try our loaded chicken fries. They look so delicious. Serving with some of the cabbage, onion, etc. It's got a really nice crunch as well. Alright, here we go. My mouth is watering. Bismillah. Wow, these are so delicious. Oh my god, the chicken is so nice and juicy. These are honestly one of the best loaded fries ever. The garlic chili sauce goes perfect with this. Wow, these are so good, you know. Once you take a bite, you can't stop eating it. Honestly, the chicken on top of these fries is so delicious. Like I said before, one of the best loaded fries that you guys gonna try. I really hope you guys will enjoy these loaded chicken fries with your family and friends. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.